How to add Discord link to YouTube channel. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a Discord link to our YouTube channel. To do this, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once on the browser, in the search bar type in discord.com and then press on enter. This will take you to the official website of Discord. Here make sure you are logged in to your account. Click on Open Discord button at the top right, and then once you are logged in to your account, here you will land on this page. In this page at the left side, you will be able to see various options. Here right click on your server, click on this invite people, and here you will be able to see your Discord link. Now you will need to simply copy this link. Click on the copy button at the right side and your Discord link will be copied. Now you will need to open a new tab. Click on the plus button at the top left, and in the new tab here type in youtube.com, and this will take you to the official website of YouTube. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, here in this page you will need to click on the profile icon at the top right. Once clicking on it, this will open up the menu. Here you will need to select YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio, and once you are in the YouTube Studio page, here at the left side you will be able to see various options. Here you will need to scroll and find customization option. Click on customization, and here make sure you are on this profile tab. In this profile tab, here you will need to scroll down, and then at the bottom you will be able to see this links option. Here you will need to click on add link button right here. And then in this link title, you will need to type in Discord. And after that, in this URL text box, here you will need to click on the box and press on Ctrl V in order to paste the copied link from your Discord. Once you have pasted your link in this URL field, now you will need to click on this Publish button at the top right of this page to save your changes. After that, you can click on this View Channel, and then your Discord link will now appear on your channel's About page. So by following these steps, you should be able to add your Discord link to your YouTube channel. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.